My greetings. Today's mini grammar tutorial will deal with vocabulary. We're going to distinguish between three confusing words in English: all, whole, whole. Let's start with all and whole, which are used as determiners. See where the definite article is placed. Now, all plus the and noun. You say all the time, all the cast. And if you say the whole plus noun, the whole time. So this is easy actually. It all has to do with the placement of the article the. If you do it after the determiner, you say all. But if you have it before the determiner, you say whole. Again, all the time, the whole time, all the cast, the whole cast. And in this case, we are referring to a total number, a complete quantity, an entire, a complete set, the full quantity. They both have the same meaning. The word whole can be used as a noun as well, or as an adjective. Let's see as a noun. Two halves make a whole. Two halves make a whole. This is used as a noun simply because it is used after the article the, a actually. You could also use whole as an adjective, meaning healthy. Some people like to drink whole, adjective, milk, or whole wheat, meaning complete. Now going down, again, whole, now, and whole are homonyms. They sound alike, but they are spelled differently, and they have different meanings and functions. The word whole is a noun. It's a word that refers to a place or thing. A lack of something, a hollow space, something that is hollow from inside. When you say, there is a hole in the ground, be careful. And you could say, the black hole, the black hole. Okay, now more examples. Now I'm going to join all three confusing words together in one sentence. All the scientists. All the scientists. On the site, excavation site, explored the whole mysterious hole. Whole complete, whole, a hollow space. All used as a total number or a complete quantity. Again, all the scientists, a total number, complete quantity. On the excavation site, explored the whole, adjective, means entire, complete, full, whole, used as a noun in the meaning of a hollow place. Interesting. The kids ate the whole pie, whole, adjective, adjective, or it could even sound the healthy, the complete actually. You could say complete, the complete pie, all the pie actually. They started by making a hole in the middle of the pie, a hole, noun, which is a hollow space, you know what that kids do. Then they ate all the sides, complete, the total sides. Another example, all my family, the entire members of my family, lives, you could say live, in the suburbs. Or my whole family lives in the suburbs. Both are accepted and both refer to complete and entire and full quantity. Going down to the exercises. Interesting. Now, as you can see, you have three choices: all, whole, and whole. We'll do the first two. I use the hammer, you know that, a tool, a hammer, to make the kitchen wall. You do what in the kitchen wall? Simply, it's a hole. The cast, meaning here the actors, had food poisoning, so the show had to be cancelled. All the cast. Why? Or you could say the whole cast, by the way. You could do this one by saying the whole cast. Again, you have 7 more sentences to do. Thank you for being with me in this tutorial. Hope to see you in another tutorial. Thank you and goodbye.